Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the home page of the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. And this is your home page. You can see here the jump back in, the recently saved, the visited, the stories. And if you would like to change on this look, then tap on the bottom right corner menu bar, tap on settings, and tap on home page. Here you will select what you would like to see on your homepage and what you would like to not. For example, if I tap on all of them, then I close them from my homepage, and this is how it will look. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.